Hi, today we are going to paint this beautiful landscape from Y city located in Satara. It's a beautiful place. It is besides of on the banks of river Krishna, and we can see lot of old houses and huts by the side of river Krishna. Here in this scene, I'm just taking colors and giving some wash to my painting. When the wash is fully dry, I start working on some interesting patterns in tree. Some trunk part, some branches like leaves, etc. Waiting for first layer to dry is very important here. Now I'm blocking the shadows on the trunk of tree. This is the basic blocking. Now I'm doing some details in wall, some rocks, some bricks, dirt, and whatever I feel that is on the subject. Goal of this painting is to capture the mood, the light and details, the overall impression of this environment. So I'm trying to capture that by doing some details on wall, sometimes doing some work on tree, and trying to capture the value of everything. I'm trying to get the details or the feel of details with combination of large brush and rigger by doing some wet in wet, dry brush techniques. Now I'm doing with details in darker parts, some edges, sharp edges to define the roof. More sharp edges on foreground. Definition of ghat is coming along now. So here is my complete blocking of architecture. Some foreground steps suggesting. That's it. Now the main wall details are being captured. One thing is to keep in mind that when you paint in watercolor, your paint seems darker when you paint it, but when it gets dry, it gets lighter than actually it is. Now doing the integral shadow part of this scene, I was very careful while painting this because one single stroke can mess up the painting quickly. The overall feeling and the mood is, I think, captured. The warmth of sun, light is captured here, which was my main subject. Now I am putting some dark tones on the tree to make it separate from background. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to my channel and hit like button. Please share if you like it. Thank you so much.